this video, I'm going to show you how to disable calls on Telegram. So if you want to turn off Telegram calls to stop anyone from putting either video calls or voice calls through to you on Telegram, you can go ahead and do this. You can also exempt some people on Telegram calls to put a call through to you while you block others on your Telegram account. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn off or disable calls on Telegram is open the Telegram application, then click on the menu icon at the top right, select that and then click on settings, scroll down on settings page to security and privacy or privacy and securities, then click on that. Then I want to scroll down a bit until you get to calls, then click on that. Then you can see who can call me. Everybody. If you set this to everybody, everyone that has a contact on Telegram will be able to put a call through to you. Then if you choose my contact, this is going to allow all your contact list to be able to call you on Telegram. Now to disable or turn off call completely on Telegram so that no one will be able to put a call through to you, come here and choose nobody. Then once you selected nobody will be able to put a call through to you on Telegram. But to have some exception on Telegram, all you need to do is come down here and tap add exception. Then you should see always allow, then tab user, then select the user to allow to call you on Telegram anytime, any day. So let's say this particular user, go ahead and add the user like this. Then you should see one user added. Even when nobody is able to call you, this particular user will be able to put a call through to you on Telegram. So this is how you can easily turn off or disable Telegram calls on your account. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.